What if I told you you can create baby trending dancing video like this with Grok AI and Capcut? Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Grok AI and Capcut to create baby dancing videos like this that is trending right now on TikTok, because a lot of people are using this opportunity right now to grow their TikTok account because they are getting massive views. In fact, people are making money with this kind of trending baby dance video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Grok AI and CapCut and create this type of amazing motion baby dance video using any celebrity of your choice or using any trending music of your choice. Now let me go and show you how you can do this right now with your smartphone. But don't forget to also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to head over to your CapCut. Now, on your CapCut, you click on search bar. Now, on your search bar, you click on baby dance. You can search for baby dance, and you are going to see different type of videos where babies are dancing. Now, as you can see, you are going to see different type of them. You can decide to choose anyone. Now, let's go back this one. I like this one. Let's go back this one. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you wait for when the baby is settled. You click take a screenshot. Now, when you take a screenshot, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT, where we are going to be generating our image. Yes, we need an image prompt to generate this. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, this is a ChatGPT app. If you don't know how to download ChatGPT, you can go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you go and download ChatGPT app on your phone. When you download the app on your phone, you install the app and you open the app. Now, let me show you how you are going to do this. Is going to bring you to an interface like this. The next thing you are going to do is to click on this plus icon, and when you click on this plus icon, you click on these photos. When you click on these photos, the next thing you click on the image you just took a screenshot right now. When you take that image, the next thing you are going to do is to paste this prompt here. This prompt I just gave you right now, make sure you paste this prompt here. As you can see, you say provide a 3D pixel style animated image to use in a creating reference image. Ignore any text showing on the scene and place them in a street background. Let's add, make it ratio 9 to 16 image. Then we click on continue. Now let's wait for it to load so that ChatGPT is going to give us a prompt which we'll use to generate this image. Yes, we are going to use this prompt to generate this image. Let's wait for it to complete. Now this is the prompt already. Now this is the prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt. Now the next thing we are going to do is to copy this prompt here. As you can see, we copy everything, and when we copy everything, we are going to head over to Grok AI. Now this is going to be shocking. We are going to use Grok AI to do this. Now head over to Grok AI, and if you don't know about Grok AI, you can go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store where you download Grok AI. All you just need to do is just to search for Grok. When you search for Grok, you are going to see the AI like this. You start for Grok like this, and this is the AI. As you can see, it's also telling me to update, but I don't want to update now. Let me log in and show you guys how to use it. Now, as you can see, Grok AI. Now you click on, when you log in onto the app, you click on imagine here. When you click on imagine, the prompt will just copy right now. We are going to paste the prompt here. When you paste the prompt, you click on continue. Now let's give it some minutes, and Grok AI is going to generate the image for us. Yes, it's going to generate the image for us. So let's give it some minutes. Now, as you can see, Grok AI has generated the image for us. Now, this is the first image here. It generated. We can decide to choose any of the image. You can check different type of image here. You can decide to choose anyone you like. So I want to use this one. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on save image here. Now, when you click on save image, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your CapCut. We'll be using CapCut to generate our image to video. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to CapCut. Now, if you don't have CapCut on your phone, you can also go to Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you search for CapCut. Yes, CapCut like this, something like this. CapCut. Now, when you search for Capcut, you install it on your phone. It's telling me also to update, but I don't want to update mine right now. So you head over to Capcut, you install it on your phone, and you head over to Capcut. If you're now, this is my Capcut app. The next thing I will do is to click on add new video. Then I'll upload that image, the image I just generated right now. I'll upload the image. Now, after uploading the image, now this is the image. This is the image already. The next thing I'm going to do, I can decided to just increase this image to how long you want your video to be. Let's leave it at like 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to TikTok again, so that we are going to download any video of a celebrity we want to use. Yes, any video of celebrity we want to use. Let's go back to TikTok. Let's go back to TikTok again. TikTok. Now, this is TikTok. Now, from TikTok, we are going to search for Poppy Speedy, or what is she called? Poppy Speedy. Now, this is Poppy Speedy. We are going to log into our account and search for any video type we want, any video. So any of our dancing video, we play anyone, then we see. Now, I want us to use this for just an example. The next thing we are going to do is to click on this share button here, and we'll click on download, so that we'll download this video to our phone. Now, after downloading the video, we also need to trim the video to match our scene. So the video is being downloaded. The next thing we are going to do is to go and trim this video. Now, you can use any of your editing tool. You can use your phone gallery to trim this video to 20 seconds. Now, let me enter the video. This is the video. We click on edit and we'll trim it to 20 seconds, because we only want the videos is even 12 seconds. So we don't need to trim it again. It's 12 seconds. So we don't need to trim the video. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT Capcut. But in case you download a video and the video is too long, you need to trim it. Now, the next thing we are going to do, after selecting this image, we scroll down here, you scroll down here, you scroll down, make sure you scroll down and you keep searching, you scroll down, you are going to see mimic motion. As you can see, mimic motion here, you click on it. Now, when you click on mimic motion, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, say upload a video to bring your image to life. As you can see, upload your video, then you click on, you tap on it. When you tap on it, this is the video, you upload the video. This is the video, we upload the video right now. As you can see, recognition. So recognizing now is uploading the video. Let's give it some minutes. Now it has successfully uploaded the video. As you can see, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to put it in this idea for pet and character acting. As you can see, idea for front facing, moving, faster generation. So you can decide to try different type of it, the first one or the second one or the third one. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on this generate here. After you choose this middle one, or you click on upgrade model for replacing the object in the something like that. So let's click on this generate. Now when you click on generate, you give it some minute. As you can see, it says generating motion. Now as you can see, it's generating it for us. Let's give it some minute and it's going to generate it for us in less than 1 minute. So let's give it some minute. Now the video has successfully generated. Let's play the video. Now the video has successfully generated. This is the video. This is the video here. This is the video. I cannot be able to play everything because of the sound. Because of copyright issue. So this is the video. You can just edit it. If you know how to do editing again, you can just do some editing and you start posting your videos on your TikTok account. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you will also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.